What's going on, everyone? Got a 2020 Cadillac XT5. We're getting service the air filter and service the oil message here on the dash. I'm sure to reset that. First thing you need to do before you reset this is go over here to the settings menu. That's the gear symbol here, and you're going to go to info page options, and you want to make sure that air filter life is checked and the oil life is checked also. Okay, if those aren't checked, you won't be able to find the reset. Okay, so we're gonna scroll over to the left now. We're gonna go all the way to the I symbol here, and then we're gonna go up or down till you get to oil life. Now it's actually showing me the percent, which is 8%. All we gotta do is hold down select. We'll get a little beep and it'll reset to 100%, and then we'll go up and look. We're looking for the air filter now. It's gonna be the exact same thing. Okay, right now it says replace now air filter. Hit enter. Okay, and hold it down for a second and I'll reset to 100%. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.